Hello, Jake. How are you today?
Hi Emma, I'm doing well, thank you. How about you?
I'm great, thanks. I wanted to talk about technology today. Do you like tech?
Yes, I love it. There are so many cool apps. Do you use any?
Absolutely. I use a fitness app to track my workouts. How about you?
I have a weather app that I download every time I get a new phone.
That's useful. Do you often update your apps?
Yeah, it helps with new features. Sometimes I forget my password, though.
Oh dear, passwords can be tricky. Do you have a secure way to remember them?
I usually write them down. But I know that's not very safe.
It's better to use a password manager. They help a lot. So, what do you do if your connection is bad?
I try to find a better Wi-Fi spot. Sometimes I just restart my phone.
That works. Sometimes connections can be frustrating. Do you use a hotspot?
Not really. I find that my mobile data is often fast enough.
Good. Mobile data can be really helpful. So, let's look at what we just talked about in terms of grammar.
Sure, what should we focus on?
We'll focus on how we talk about our digital life. For example, I download an app, or I need to update this software.
Okay, that's clear. Can you give more examples?
Of course. Here are a few. I update my apps every week. Can you download this app for me? And, I forgot my password again.
Those are helpful. So, I can say, I need to update my password, right?
Exactly. But remember, the right form is, update my password, not, update to my password.
Got it. I'll remember that.
Great. Let's practice a bit more with the dialogue. Are you ready?
Yes, let's do it.
Okay. What app do you use the most?
I think my music app is the one I download first on every phone.
Music apps are fantastic. What do you do if it doesn't have a good connection?
I usually download all my favorite songs. That way, I can listen offline.
That's a smart idea. Do you check for updates?
Sometimes I forget. I should check them more often.
Yes. Updating can fix bugs. Have you ever lost your password for your app?
Yes, once I couldn't log in because I forgot it.
What did you do?
I reset it. It was easy, but I had to check my email for the new password.
Good. Resetting is a good option. Do you have many apps on your phone?
Yes, I have around 20. I like trying new ones.
That's impressive. Trying new apps can be fun. What's your favorite one right now?
I think it's a cooking app. It gives great recipes.
Cooking apps are wonderful. You can learn so much. What's your favorite recipe from it?
I made a pasta recipe yesterday. It turned out great.
Fantastic. Apps really help in daily life. Let's explore the vocabulary we used.
Sure, what words do we have?
We have 5 words: app, download, update, password, and connection. Let's look at app first.
Okay, tell me more about it.
App is short for application, a program on your phone. For example, I have an app for my bank.
Nice. What about download?
Download means to get something from the internet. For instance, I will download a new game.
Got it. And update.
Update is when you improve an app. Like, I need to update my smartphone software.
What about password?
Password is a secret word for security. For example, I forgot my email password.
And connection.
Connection refers to being online. You can say, I have a good Wi-Fi connection.
Perfect. Those words are very useful.
Let's review everything with some questions. Ready?
Yes, let's go.
First question. What do we call a program on your phone?
An app.
Correct. Second question. What does download mean?
To get something from the internet.
Awesome. Third question. What is something you can forget for your apps?
Your password.
Right. Fourth question. How do you fix a bug in your app?
You update it.
Exactly. Last question. What connects you to the internet?
A connection.
Fantastic, Jake. You've got all the answers correct. Feeling confident?
Yes, I do. Thanks for the practice, Emma.
You're welcome. Before we finish, next lesson we'll discuss travel vocabulary. Exciting, right?
That sounds amazing. I can't wait to learn more.
Me too. See you next time, Jake.
See you, Emma.